Hello, and welcome to another episode of Quarantining with Cody. I'm Cody, the Adult Teen Services Programmer at the Newport branch of the Camden County Public Library. And today we're going to make Sidewalk Puffy Paint. What you're going to need for this is a bowl and something to mix with, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 3/4 cup of a shaving cream, about 10 to 15 drops of food coloring, a sandwich bag, and some scissors. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the flour and the water into our mixing bowl. From here we're going to mix it on up until the flour is completely mixed and it's not clumping anymore. And this will just take a little bit of time, but you get a nice little arm workout in. And really give it a good, nice mixing. Don't forget to scrape the bottom of the bowl to get all the flour mixed up into this water. Okay, now that the flour and the water has been mixed together and there's no clumping left, we're going to add the 3/4 cup of shaving cream into the bowl, like so. And then we're going to add about 10 to 15 drops of food coloring. Of course, you can add more or less depending on how dark you want your color to be. And then you're just going to keep mixing it up. And you want to mix it until all the materials have been combined together. Really give it a nice stir. Once your puffy paint has been mixed together, what you're going to do is you're going to take a sandwich bag, just a basic Ziploc bag, and put the paint into the bag and fill it all the way up. And essentially what you're going to use the bag as is a piping tool, so you can actually use it on the sidewalk. It might get a little messy here, but you can always wash your hands later. Once you have your puffy paint inside of the bag, seal it shut. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a little line. You're going to cut a little hole at the edge of the bag where you can actually use it to pipe out the puffy paint. From here, we're going to go outside and actually create some designs. when outside, be creative as possible with your Sidewalk Puffy Paint. And when you're done, share your pictures with us on the Campbell County Public Library Facebook page. And while you're there, give us a like and follow. When all is said and done, it's very easy to clean up this project. All you need is some water, and then you just gotta and then you're done.